BJP Manipur hold public Thanksgiving gathering in appreciation of Union Home Minister Amit Saha's announcement to extend inner line permit system in Manipur. JCI LPS says implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur does not guarantee full protection of its indigenous people. And total shutdown against citizenship amendment bill called by Northeast Students Organization and all Manipur students unions affects normal life in Manipur. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandram presenting you the prime time English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. BJP Manipur Pradesh organized a public Thanksgiving gathering at Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre today in appreciation of yesterday's announcement in Lok Sabha by Union Home Minister Amit Saha about extending inner line permit system in Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongtam Birend credited the achievement to people, civil society organizations and women folks of Manipur. Ahead of the gathering, the Chief Minister laid MLAs, ministers and BJP workers in taking out a rally from BJP Manipur Pradesh office at Nitaipat Chuthek in Kaishampat towards the Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre. Chief Minister Birend said official process is underway for implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur since the Union Home Minister's announcement and that a gazette notification will be issued at the earliest. He said Manipur gets double benefits with implementation of inner line permit system as citizenship amendment bill exempts those states where inner line permit system is already implemented, and at the same time with implementation of inner line permit system, influx of migrants in the state will be kept at bay.
Manipur gi praja singna wana khallaga lakpa sahi kaya ngasi Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na thungan biba, Amit Shah ji na thungan biba, aduga Rajnath ji na thungan biba, aduga Ram Madhav ji na thungan biba, hariba central leader punama ekoi thagat tabangam de NPP gi leiriba leaders, LGP gi leiriba central labor leaders, NPF gi leiriba punamak ekoi thagat tabangam de aduga Manipur gi praja miyam maru oibudi fwari ekoi sarkar pairi basisu mayam gi mateng dagi paibani mayam na vote piraga kapani ana khwaidagi credit ti ngasi Manipur kan mangam magi adugamba ek amai khoi na phangjari ba cap tagi nga khopa ngamjari bise Manipur gi imaibel Manipur gi club sangsthan press media gi silnaw sing bazar da kaithel phami bi silnaw ima sing civil society mayam punamakki mahi na phangbani ekoi di chumna chenjabani.
Chief Minister Birend stated that the BJP-led state government has been urging the centre for a long time to fulfill the people's long-due demand to protect the indigenous people of Manipur. He added that it took a lot of convincing to get the Union Home Minister's announcement in the Lok Sabha yesterday. Birend said the centre's move shows that it cares for the people of Manipur. Chief Minister Birend urged panelists of local television discussion programs to debate reasonably instead of scoring the government. He also appealed to people not to ridicule the government and its undertaking on social media, but to use social media in a beneficial manner. Attendees also paid 2-minute silence tribute to Sapam Robin Hood, who lost his life in the People's Movement in demand for implementation of inner line permit system, and other martyrs on the occasion.
Foreigner langindre, paisa invest ko langindre, lam koi ba langindre, ngahak lerga kang ngahak lerga ken mai adu ngasa ngai gre ba dum torga. Sibu lebak lo, ai khoi le. We are here, we elected members. Aduna lebak ning buji moina khoi lagi helam moye kaisu. Heloi. Yam nungai ba di ai ni yam nungai ba. Hujikti mapan dagi lakpa khuding maksi card am pairaga, permit am pairaga. Lakadore. I quite Madumak Yona the Kalam Davnico. Pirak Punahan in the Kisio. Manipur People's Bill do. Sum Nagimi Changako pass, Yantok engine get to the neighbor. ILPCD, I quite indigenous population है totally protect over port amane.
BJP Wangzing Tenta Mandal also took out a vehicled rally at Wangzing in Thoubal district in jubilation over the Union Home Minister's announcement about extending inline permit system in Manipur. The rally, passing through various places of Wangzing Tenta, was flagged off from Wangzing members of Legislative Assembly P. Brojan's residence. Many BJP workers took part in the rally.
Keeptagi ngakthoknaba koi ILPC chanaragani haidana koi laukthokpikhre historic oiba movement ama oiba lona miyam punamana honajagibagi mahaidu phangmana maram waraga yamna haraute amba dugumba numit ama oina Manipur sarkar na suti thabidna tawbasda koi kendra sigi praja punamakta Bharat ki prime minister na Bharat ki home minister na koi punamu punu sibiri koi na haiba wakat punamak tabiri haibase mase koi miyam do phongdokpani.
Hyanglam BJP Mandal also organized a public thanksgiving in appreciation of yesterday's announcement in Lok Sabha by Union Home Minister Amit Saha about extending inner-line permit system in Manipur at Hyanglam Assembly, MLA Dr. Yumnam Radheshyam's residence today. Members of the Mandal attended the event. Thangmaiban United Club TUC, an apex body of all the local clubs of Thangmaiban constituency, has expressed happiness over Union Home Minister Amit Saha's announcement in the Lok Sabha yesterday that inner-line permit system will be extended to Manipur, and the Citizenship Amendment Bill exempts certain tribal areas included in the 6th schedule and those falling under the inner-line permit regimed in the northeastern state. TUC has lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Saha, Chief Minister Nongthaman Birren, and the state cabinet ministers for the same. Speaking to media at Kangjabi Lairak Youth Club in Nagamapal, Kangjabi Lairak today, TUC President Laisangthem Pratap said that Thangmaiban United Club will appreciate every good deeds of the government but challenge those which are against the public interest. He also urged the state government to be meticulous while implementing inner-line permit system in the state.
Ramak Amit Shahana akoi parliamenta akoi ILP chatnarani na lauthopa adu mamangda ILP chatnaba state sing dedi adu cap akoi extend tawroi habadu mayek sengna thambigibadu akoi thagatpa phongdokchabani loina na maki council of ministers sing prime minister adu madu support to kudimak Thailand United Club ki mai thak phongdokchari maroina Manipur ki chief minister council of ministers sing adu MLA sing adu bazar ki maibel sing in man pack adu sangjal aibu kungjing de saruk yakiba kudimak adu Thangmaiban ki praja singna akoi ki takna lauthopa adu da support to bidana apung phana koi Thailand na su kep ki mayokta koi lepki badugi na koi thagatpa phongdokchari afaba thabak tawruk targadi government basu koi phai haina koi ngasi phongdokchari sini asoiba tawruk targadi madugi kenodu da koi leigani aduga afaba tawrabadi koi thank you haiba wahai se koi government su koi tamjari haiba.
Convener YK Dhiren has stated that implementation of inner-line permit system in Manipur does not guarantee full protection of its indigenous inhabitants. Speaking to media at JCILP's office, Tirim wrote today, YK Dhiren lauded Union Home Minister Amit Saha for announcing in the Lok Sabha yesterday that inner-line permit system will be extended to Manipur. However, he added that implementation of inner-line permit system is not a complete solution yet. YK Dhiren expressed disappointment that Manipur People Bill 2018, passed by State Assembly in 2018, which could better protect and safeguard indigenous peoples and their lands, is yet to get the President's assent, stating that then Chief Commissioner Himmat Singh scrapped permit system for entry into and exit from Manipur on November 18, 1950, increasing the influx of migrants in the state. YK Dhiren asked whether 1951 will be taken into account as the best year or not. He also asked if the inner line permit system can surpass the Manipur People's Bill. YK Dhiren asserted that relentless strives have been going on since 15 October 1949 to protect the indigenous inhabitants and their lands. He asserted that people need to continue their strive even today.
Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873 shidedi base year shi yaugdabna marakanda Manipur da 1951 dagi sangsellaga ngasi phaw leisen khraba mitop miancha singsi regulate tawbagi wafam ama phaw masida yaugde akoi Nagaland Mizoram Arunachal da mitop miancha singi problem tholakpa singsi urakanda amadi hana Manipur da leiramiba singsi gi regulation ama masigi base year ma darkar orakpanina aikogi apamba amasung koi yellow missing kanbagi upay si mapung phararoi na khalakpana maram orakanda koi 2015 dagi no Manipur People's Protection Bill semgiba 2018 da Manipur People's Bill semakanda base year hapakanda chananaba miyam gi oiba yanaba ma ki makhada aikoi changjen gi Manipur gi assembly na pass tawkiba bill se chanhan bahu nabagi damak aikoi gi oiba lambi da khong thangjen bahu jagre.
Now, Impact News brings you a special report on what representatives of political parties and MLAs have to say about yesterday's announcement in the Lok Sabha by Union Home Minister Amit Saha about implementing inner-line permit system in Manipur and about the ongoing issues of a citizenship amendment bill. Let's take a look.
India's Home Minister oiba international level the means masa khangneriba adu mamiu emana adusu parliament ki house discussion to candidate yam clear cutly man mentioned to the Manipur gi di chanadri adu soina chanal lagani chanan mugaloina Manipur su capc kanu si purview si applicability si kanu leiroi haina adu phajina haibadu da karigi thazaroi do koi fully thajai aduga yam sengna da ki matang se da cap chanabadana tana chanan dabdana tana ILP su matam kuina koi demand to na pa khotpa ILP su sisu koi Manipur gi damte apply to lak pase masi matang da koi aina sum kamedi koi Manipur gi praja khudimana su masi appreciate to hom thoi notice ke am loina kanu se nation re koi gi Meghalaya chanadre Mizoram chanadre Nagaland chanadre Arunachal chanadre Assam gi so ya mafam da Tripura su chanadre seida koina hana thamgiba kanu du gi pandam di adum phangabani si phangabsi da koina kedugi amuk seida koina angam chadna amuk kedugi koina ya de na ko we appreciate aduga koi NPP gidi we are satisfied.
Union Home Minister amana Parliament thamba wafam la na kisum miyam da haijan ngai manam chade aduna asum wafam ni khalle akoi lawjare am chanare lawre
Cape Chanagadoise ILP like the Bazaga, the Chanagadoineva. Others, they just ILP Chanaraba, other Cape Lero is Atopi is who later in a Pacalibra, not Ragana Carigino. Masisa Mayampuna, go minutes support the Organa Punacamina with the Caricabele. Other Masuma systems there. Masi totally a Mutapa the Kale, Manipurage, I don't know, Aquina Manipur, ILP Pame, ILP Chanarani. Cape Hibasi Manipur, your
ILP systems at Narapase, Masi Equi Dimani. Basi yam fai adubu kef na ekhogi yellow mi kan mangam gani hai basidi sukta thajate maramaduna kef ase masigi mayok ta khoi CPI are palitana fight to gani
handaki khangaudana ILP moina phongdorok baji ta sengna da khoi Manipur gi yamna phaba tanja mani aina logjei do ta sengna da masi Manipur gi oina yamna kanagadaba matang kuina dagi hoina Manipur gi praja mayamna tandina laglaba demand amani hojiki oina di ILP ji koina chanarakpa matam da madu khoi gi yamna sincere oina taudragadi mai pakpa ngamoi.
Union Home Minister na Parliament da Manipur da amuganda inner line permit system chanan harak pasi akogi Mani People's Party na taram noi ek asi chanan number home na bada hathu na formal announcement na diya roi masil asang process am changi Manipur gi cabinet mi phama kanda Bengal Frontier Regulation 1873 se adopt to na koi pass to diya roi ado masi pass to godoni natragana Union government na si Manipur da inner line permit system sa mukchanare haina resolution ma logodoni aduga Parliament Tagadone, Masi Haji Kudakti or Matam Chrisangni, Masida Quina Yam Harok to Kumatam Nanmalinatam.
Nasigi Nungaiba Amade Haraba Pongdok Pase, yes, to a certain extent, Harau Pom Toyadubo, Egi Motadi, Kitang premature oibra, Yam elaborately, Yam Dumdam Natrag Yamna excite Oiduna Coin a celebration to Obesidi, Kitang what Libra in a Kale Karigino Heraga. Bill ase ekhoi gi ILPS ase tasengna chanaba yare haiba nataba chanaba yagani extend dawni hairi banina sisu khoina keeping that provision ekhoi harau phamdi thoe maramdi parliament house ta mayamgi aspiration ase Union Home Minister na ekhoi gidamakta law birakpa haidok pirakpa sidi ekhoi gidamakta di harau phamdi thoe haina khali.
Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Old Manipur Students' Union's statewide total shutdown called against Citizenship Amendment Bill in support of Northeast Students' Organization. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Primetime English News. All Manipur Students' Union MSU's 15-hour statewide total shutdown in Manipur in support of Northeast Students' Organization NESO's total shutdown called in Northeast states against Citizenship Amendment Bill has affected normal life in Manipur. MSU volunteers have even destroyed passenger vehicles plying on roads during its ongoing total shutdown. District units of MSU also carried out the band in their respective districts. Police has reportedly arrested 10 MSU members from Manipur University at around 11 this morning. Very few vehicles were seen plying on road. Oil pumps remained closed and only few shops were opened. Manipur Police and Central Paramilitary Forces were deployed at strategic locations to avoid any untoward incidents. NESO's and MSU's total shutdown against CAB also affected normal life in Ziribam district today. Roads bore a deserted look. Educational institutions and market remain closed. MSU volunteers and women folks come out on street in agitation. They block roads and punctured vehicles' tires. Ziribam district police and paramilitary forces give strict whistles to avoid any untoward incidents.
North ki lairiba akhoi yellow missing bo akhoi muthatnabagi akhoi lairiba India government na azugumlaba moi thosil tawakanda akhoi vote bank oina damakta mo azugumlaba akhoi indigenous people lamdam sigi north ki amadi Manipur gi lairiba indigenous people chu muthatnabagi azugumlaba citizen amendment bill 2019 ase lairiba akhoi Ziribam gi lairiba MSU amadi lamdam sida lairiba mipum khuding nasu yaba ngamoi karigumba hariba citizen bill hariba citizen amendment bill 2019 asigi mayokta matam chupada laini haiba wafam jingasi MSU district committee magai degi thamjari.
The total shutdown against Citizenship Amendment Bill has also greatly affected Indo-Myanmar border trade. All Manipur Students' Union Technopole District extended full support to the shutdown today. Roads bore deserted look, shops, market and bank were closed. More police gave a strict whistle to avoid any untoward incidents.
Nishwana ngasi kaubabanda Manipur gi MSU na saruk yaba waina ngasi MSU gi masama wairiba MSU Technopole District Committee na ngasi Moreda National Highway thingduna ban tawki student shutdown tawki Manipur da Cape ke mayokta Manipur gi parja punamukna lepminasi amadi ILP chatnadrabasu North East da Cape chatnaba yaroi haibagi khongjang asida lepminasi Manipur gi da ngasi amadi North East da Cape chatnani haina hotnari bu makai nesho amadi MSU na matam chuppada khongjang hanban nayo haina.
Women of Brahmapur Bajaspati Lake Kai carried out protest demonstration today against disintegration of Manipur by finalization of Naga peace talks. Various place cards were displayed during the protest. Women protesters strongly condemned Manipur police personnel for destroying the arrangements made for a meeting scheduled at around 10 a.m. today. People stage a protest meet at Singjamai Temporary Market demanding to unveil the mysterious death of advocate Eld Roshmani, who served as standing counsel of the state government at the Supreme Court. A public meeting was convened in the community hall of the deceased advocate's birthplace at Singjamaile Sangtham Laikai this morning, where attendees form a joint action committee against his death. It may be mentioned that a non-Manipuri man allegedly knocked down advocate Eld Roshmani with an iron rod on his head in front of his two minor daughters at their residence in Delhi's Mahavir Enclave, Dwarka sector in the intervening night of December 2 and 3. Later, Rosemany's 8-year-old daughter said that the killer threatened them against disclosing the incident. Various place guards that demanded speedy probe into the case, justice for the deceased, befitted punishment for the culprit, etc. were displayed in the protest meet. Committee on Human Rights COHR Manipur also celebrated Human Rights Day today. The committee, in a press release, asserted that the current conflict situation in Manipur is a political problem and hence it needs a political solution. It urged people to resolve to make Manipur crime-free and self-reliant. Manipur AIDS Control Society and State Health Society will organize the second Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2019-20 under the age of a National AIDS Control Organization NACO at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre, both in Palace Compound on December 18th. Health Minister Lampuklakpam Jayanta Kumar has urged everyone to take part in the musical event cum awareness campaign on HIV/AIDS, organized especially for youths of 15 to 29 years of age. Speaking to media at his official quarter in Babapura today, Health Minister Lampuklakpam Jayanta Kumar stated that the awareness campaign aims to aware people on various risk factors and protective measures of HIV/AIDS. Plights facing people living with HIV, AIDS, and various government welfare benefits meant for them. The Health Minister further stated that a core committee comprising of officials of the relevant departments headed by Principal Secretary, Health as Chairman, and Project Director of Manipur AIDS Control Society as Member Secretary has been formed to carry out the campaign successfully. Principal Secretary, Health, Project Director of Manipur AIDS Control Society, and top officials of the Health Department were present in the press meet.
Main objective of this multimedia campaign relating to AIDS and HIV Prajada Quina Khan Madaka result to Bidaka Lapam Jawi media Kutanga, Medaichina Sungsulator, then again through music, through sports, no the ski come Yamna Pamgado reports. She channels and she Kutanga, Chahitara Mangadagina, Chahik couldn't come up and Hoki Manangala Angang Sinda, when focused Oraga, when Pangada was in Masida, when a Moy with Chintoga, awareness campaign, Amato, Kari awareness campaign, no habitagadi, HIV AIDS Matang, the awareness campaign, Queen of Geneva. Life to the expected Yam Lege, Hail Takiam among Malay and Haiba, Tagilin, SIBMC Etanava, Kangusundal, P reverse Hamas people, stigma and the discrimination, Masigise, Gimatanga, so Aquina, Shindok Nimba Habitai.
Now the sports news. India's second home match of the ongoing 13-hero I-League, Neroka Football Club was defeated by Quast East Bengal Football Club 1-4 at Kumalam Park Men's Stadium in Imphal this afternoon. For the winners, striker Jamie Santos Colado netted one goal in a penalty kick at 19th minute. Midfielder Juan Mera Gonzalez scored one goal at 32nd minute. Jamie Santos Colado scored one goal at 54th minute, and the striker Marcos Eusebio Espado netted one goal at the 64th minute. The lone goal of Neroka Football Club was netted by striker Baubakar Siaka at 24th minute of the match. Bongkanglambi Modern Club today accorded a warm welcome to Thaudam Shuman, who served as India's team captain in 3rd National Junior Women's Hockey Tournament held at Australia. Volunteers of the club expressed happiness as the team led by Thaudam Shuman emerged successful and brought laurels for Manipur and the country. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin. But before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur holds public Thanksgiving gathering in appreciation of Union Home Minister Amit Saha's announcement to extend inner line permit system in Manipur. JCILPS says implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur does not guarantee full protection of its indigenous people. And total shutdown against Citizenship Amendment Bill called by Northeast Students Organizations and Old Manipur Students Union affects normal life in Manipur.